We are going to be getting into the portrait unit, and so we need to learn a little bit about the history of portrait photography. We'll explore portrait tips and different ideas for portraiture. You'll do some portrait photography work in the studio and outside of class, and we'll learn a bunch about editing people, which is really fun. So to get it started, the first assignment is the history of portrait photography video and worksheet. You should have your own document that will open up, and it is a Google Doc. The link is right here, so if you click on the link, that will take you to this video. And you can see it's really 8 minutes long. It's not very long at all, but it goes pretty fast. So you're going to want to know what you're listening for, and then pause the video and answer them. And do the best that you can. This one's kind of a connection, so I think, well, how do you do it? I think if you insert, you can draw. Or there's a shape you can insert. I don't quite remember, but you guys are so tech savvy, you can figure out how to do it, or you can match colors. They could be the same color as the answer. So it goes pretty fast. Discuss some of the first portrayals of human beings and the first portraits in these different times in history. And then be specific in your answers. It's also kind of nice when you're answering your questions if you can change the color of your writing to red or purple. Yellow's too light, but something so that I can see that those are your answers. That's kind of helpful. Go all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you answer all the questions completely for full credit, and then you can submit that assignment. And that's the beginning of the portrait unit.